What is Stoicism? The ancient philosophy that can change your life. Stoicism is often misunderstood. People think it means hiding your emotions, acting cold, or pretending nothing hurts. It doesn't. Stoicism is not about feeling less. It is about suffering less. More than 2,000 years ago, philosophers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius asked a simple question. How do you live well in a world you cannot control? Their answer became one of the most influential philosophies in history. At its core, Stoicism teaches one powerful idea. Some things are within your control. Most things are not. You cannot control what people say about you. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control traffic, aging, rejection, or the past. But you can control your thoughts, your actions, your choices, your character, and that changes everything. Imagine carrying an umbrella on a rainy day. You don't curse the clouds. You don't demand the sky obey you. You simply prepare for what is coming. That is Stoicism. It doesn't ask the world to become easier. It teaches you to become stronger. Many people spend their lives chasing things they can never fully possess. Approval, status, money, perfect relationships. They believe happiness lives somewhere outside themselves. So they keep running. Stoicism invites you to stop. It reminds you that peace begins when your happiness no longer depends on what you cannot control. This doesn't mean giving up ambition. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire. Seneca became one of the wealthiest men in Rome. Stoicism never asks you to avoid success. It asks you not to become its servant. Win with humility. Lose with dignity. Remain steady in both. Because fortune changes, character remains. Stoicism also teaches that obstacles are not interruptions to life. They are life. Every insult becomes an opportunity for patience. Every failure becomes a lesson. Every hardship becomes training. Just as muscles grow through resistance, character grows through adversity. Without difficulty, courage cannot exist. Without fear, bravery has no meaning. Without loss, gratitude is rarely understood. Perhaps the greatest lesson Stoicism offers is this. You always have a choice. Not over what happens, but over who you become because of it. Someone can insult you. Only you decide whether those words become anger or silence. Someone can betray you. Only you decide whether bitterness defines the rest of your life. Between every event and every reaction lies a small space. That space is freedom. Stoicism teaches you how to live inside it. Why should you start learning Stoicism today? Because the modern world profits from your distraction. Every notification competes for your attention. Every headline feeds anxiety. Every advertisement tells you that you are incomplete. Stoicism quietly says otherwise. You already possess what matters most. The ability to choose your response. To act with wisdom instead of impulse. To value integrity over popularity. To remain calm while others panic. These are timeless skills. And unlike wealth or fame, no one can take them from you. You do not need to become a philosopher overnight. You simply begin by asking yourself one question each day. Is this within my control? If the answer is yes, act. If the answer is no, let it go. That single habit has the power to transform how you experience stress, relationships, work, and even failure. Stoicism isn't about becoming emotionless. It's about becoming unshakable. Not because life becomes easier, but because you become wiser, And in a world filled with chaos, that may be the greatest strength of all.